Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a cool experiment by Ms. Walker and finding out how jumping to conclusions can sometimes lead us astray. Ready? Let's go! Imagine you're in a class where your teacher, Ms. Walker, wants to know if drinking milk with lunch changes how well you do on math tests. She splits the class into two. Those born from January to June drink milk, and those from July to December drink juice. After a month, milk drinkers scored higher on a times tables test. Sounds like milk is a magic brain booster, right? Well, hold on. Let's think about it. What if the students who drank milk were already better at math before the experiment even started? What if it had nothing to do with what they drank at all? This could mean Ms. Walker might have missed something important. This is what we call a causal flaw. It happens when we think one thing causes another without considering other possible explanations. In Ms. Walker's case, she didn't check if both groups were similar in their math skills before starting the experiment. To make a fair test, we need to make sure everyone starts on the same level. That way, if we see a difference, we can be more confident it's because of what we're testing. In this case, milk versus juice. So next time you hear about an experiment or a new finding, remember to ask, is this a fair test? Were there other factors involved? Always keep your curiosity and don't jump to conclusions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to think like a scientist in your everyday life.